Clifford Dwight Waldo, who was born in 1913 in Nebraska, was the most respected and the prominent person in the field of public administration for over half a century. Now, his perspective on public administration and administration was mainly on the politics approach, and that is why he is more acknowledged as a critique than the creator of the public administration. Now, the major work of Dwight Waldo includes the publication of his book, that is The Administrative State, a study of the political theory of American public administration. Now, this book has two editions. The first book was edited in 1948 and the second edition came out in 1984. Now, this book is based on his doctoral work. Now, this book has earned Waldo the title of pariah. That means the person who is rejected by the society. Now, another major works by the Waldo includes The Ideas and the Issues in Public Administration, which was published in 1953. The Study of Public Administration, which was published in 1955. The Perspectives on Public Administration, which was published in 1956. The Comparative Public Administration, which was published in 1964, and also The Democracy, Bureaucracy and Hypocrisy, which was published in 1977. Now, besides these, Dwight Waldo has published several other books as well. Now, to conclude the work done by Waldo, or to summarize the work, summarize the main points of the Waldo's work. Now, he was a very critic of the classical approach to the public administration. Now, while talking about the classical approach, the classical approach says that the two concepts, that is the politics and the administration, should be separated. Now, Waldo states that this separation is inadequate. Now, he accepts the politics administration dichotomy in some extent. Now, he believed that the public administration is necessarily involved in the politics and there is some values to the politics administration dichotomy. Now, he says that the public administration is both science and arts, and perhaps more arts than the science. Now, he says that the public administration is very different from the private administration by the political environment, in which the public administrator has to operate. Now, he says that the public administration is a morality and there should be some ethical values. There should exist some ethical values as well. Now, in this way, he has also criticizes the behavioral science of the administration.